Welcome back guys to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'll be telling you guys about competitive programming. So let's get straight into it. What is competitive programming, or in short CP? As the name suggests, competitive programming is programming competitively. In competitive programming, you are given a problem with a sample input and output. You have to write the program in such a way that when you input the sample input, you get the given sample output as the output. Your program will be judged on many factors like the time you took to write the program and the memory taken by the program. Guys, this is an example of a really easy competitive programming problem. Guys, the problem is given over here. Here they have given us the task. Here they have given us the sample input and then the sample output. We have to write our code over here. Guys, in this question they have basically told us to input 3 integers and print the values of those 3 integers. Guys, this is a really easy program. Guys, I'll show you in a second. Guys, after you have written the code, what you have to do is click on this button, submit code. And what it will do is it will test your program against various test cases. And if you have passed the test cases, it will show a green and a tick over here. So I have passed all the 3 test cases. So that is it for the example, guys. Benefits of competitive programming. First benefit is that it helps you prepare for coding interviews in large companies like FANG, which stands for Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Questions asked in coding interviews are just medium difficulty competitive programming questions. Second benefit applies for only secondary school students. The benefit is that each country holds a national informatics olympiad, which is basically competitive programming contest for high school students. 4 students are selected to represent their country, and if you win a medal in the International Informatics Olympiad, it gives you a huge boost in applying to prestigious colleges. And some countries even have rules which guarantee your admission to some of the best universities in that country. Guys, the last benefit of competitive programming is that competitive programming is fun. You can think of competitive programming as an esport. When you solve a problem correctly by programming it, you get the same amount of satisfaction which an athlete and the crowd would have got when the athlete scores a goal. Guys, if you want to start competitive programming, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you can get to know when I upload my video on how to get started with competitive programming. If you guys found this video informative, please be sure to leave a like and share this video, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.